Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products with the Sinister Diesel cold side charge pipe for our 17 to 23 6.7 Powerstroke people out there. Most of you know the factory cold side charge pipe has been known to burst, rupture, or even crack. And when that happens, the result is you don't get any pressure from your turbo, which means you're pretty much dead in the water. Sinister Diesel created this kit to help alleviate that problem, plus give you some added benefits to it. Comes with everything you need for installation. It's a 6061 aluminum mandrel-bent pipe paired with a 4-ply silicone hose. What benefits you get from this is obviously it's much more durable than your factory cold charge pipe, but you get increased airflow because it is a larger diameter, which is going to help lower some of those EGTs. Your 4-ply silicone hose is rated up to 400 PSI, and you get clamps included with this kit. So if you're looking to upgrade your cold side charge pipe, you can click the link in the bio below or come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.